Hello, I'm Michael, and in this video I'll share some top tips to help you install your year-end update. There's a few things you can do before you install to help things run smoothly. First, check where your program's installed so you can make sure the update installs in the right place. Just click Help and About and make a note of the program directory. You can optimize your data to keep it error-free and avoid problems when it's upgraded. Before you log in, simply select your company and click Optimize. Tip 3. Take a backup. It's better to be safe than sorry, so make sure you take regular backups of your payroll data. That way, you've got a copy of your payroll should you ever need it. When the update's ready, look out for a prompt to download it, then follow the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, you can download it from our website. You can install the update before finishing the current tax year, so it's better to install as soon as possible. Check with your IT team if you have full administrator access to your computer before installing the update. This helps to ensure a seamless install. That's it for now, but check back soon for the next top tips video. For further information and help, visit sage.co.uk/help or click the help button in your software. And remember, you can join us for a free live webinar by visiting sage.co.uk/webinars. Thanks for watching.